Hi everyone, my name is Jared Albancando Robles and I'm going to talk about Google Analytics and SEO. So first of all, what is Google Analytics? It is a powerful tool that helps us track and analyze website traffic, which means visitors, and very important information about them. So for example, we can know the total number of visitors, where those visitors are coming from, how long they stay on our website, which pages they visit the most. We can also know some demographic data like age, gender, and location. And all this data is very important in order for us to improve our website and make sure that website is achieving the goal. Let's suppose I have a bakery business, and I have created a website, but it's kind of old, and I want to improve it so I can get more clients. Well, Google Analytics is going to help me to gather that important information I don't know uh, to get this done. So, for example, with Google Analytics, I will know how visitors are interacting with my page. I will know where they're clicking the most, what picture is the one that is catching more their attention. Google Analytics is going to let me know what social media will be more effective to target to get the attention of that specific target. If um, females or males are the one that likes the most my products, what products is the best seller, and how to boost those sales. Perfect. So Google Analytics is the most popular web tool, and it has over 38 million users around the world. It is free for everyone that has a Google account, but if you're a bigger business or if you want to have more features, then they're gonna start charging for them. On this presentation, I'm gonna give you an example of how you guys can set up Google Analytics for a website. I'm gonna use my web page for this course, this this homepage that we have created during the course. So let's go ahead and look for Google Analytics first. Okay. If you guys have a Google account, then you're good to go. You just need to click this blue button, or if not, you guys can go and create one. For this example, I have my personal one, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it started. And this is gonna ask for the account name. For this example, I'm gonna just say test. Next, it is gonna ask for um, what kind of data we want to share with everyone that is using Google Analytics. Um, this is something you guys can select and customize. For this example, I'm just gonna leave these three last options and hit next. Because I selected the business option, I'm gonna go ahead and do property name. I'm gonna say bakery test. And this asks for the time zone and currency because this is going to give us real-time and historical reports. So this is going to be very important in a in real life. But for this example, I'm just going to leave it default. Hit next. Perfect. So now it asks for business details. Again, with the bakery business, I'm going to select food and drink. And then I'm going to say it's a small business. Hit next. On this part, it allows us to select what information we want to track. I'm gonna say leads, sales, traffic, which means visitors, user engagement, and retention. The other option gives us the opportunity to customize those options and make it more personalized. I'm gonna go ahead and hit create. These are the terms and conditions. I accept them. Okay, so on this page, um, you can select which platform you're using. For this example, I'm gonna use the web platform. However, they also have for Android app and iOS app. So it's very interesting. Okay, so web, and they're gonna ask for the URL of our website. Again, I'm using the home page for this example, so I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste that one here. And for the stream name, I'm gonna say bakery again, bakery test. You can always go back and edit this whatever you want. I'm gonna leave the enhanced measurements open and on because it's gonna let me know the page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, etc. And then you can go ahead and hit create and continue. Right after that, Google Analytics automatically, it's gonna give us an option to set up the tag. So I'm gonna go here and click on install manually, and this code, we're gonna copy and paste it immediately after the head element in our HTML. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I already have that done before, but again, it has to go right after the head and just copy and paste it. Um, don't forget to commit and push your work. I have already done that, so don't waste time. Okay, and after that, you can go ahead and run a test installation. So just to make sure that's working. Let's go ahead and update this one because I believe this is a new, yeah, it was a new one. So I'm gonna say Google Analytics. So every time I have done some of the Google Analytics accounts before just to make test, and I had a different ID. This ID is customized by Google Analytics every time you open a new property or account. You can have multiple accounts for Google Analytics inside your Google account. Okay, so now that I have commit and push that, I'm gonna hit retest. It takes some seconds. And while that's loading, I wanna show you guys something from this code. So it has a script here. We're gonna go and open that one. This is a long code personalized for my website, but I found out something very interesting. The entities this has. So it has, for example, it's gonna read the conversion marking for my website. It's gonna read also the outbound click. It is gonna read if people are scrolling or not, the number of views my page is getting. If I have a video, then if people are watching it. The first time or the first time yeah, the visitor clicks on my website and the last time they have clicked on my website. And again, there are a lot of more of entities and permissions that this has, but I like this. I found out this very interesting. Let's go back here and retest it. See if that's working now. Perfect. So I get this green message. Your Google tag was detected. So you can close this window and this one as well. And you can go now to Analytics on the right upper corner. Click the four squares and then Analytics. Here you'll see very interesting information, and here's the fun part. So you're gonna have active users, event count, new user, key events, and you can customize these reports however you want. Here on the left side, there is a panel when you can hit read reports. You can explore new tools you can have, and also advertise. I'm gonna talk a little bit more about it later. Let's go and click on reports. Okay, so These are all tests I have done before. So let's go and hit test and bakery test. This is the one that we just created. And let's go to real time option. Let's see if it's gonna, it always take a minute to load. Um, so let's actually go and get one of my home page that I did before. And see if that's gonna, yeah, that's already reading everything. So let's see, so active users, I'm gonna refresh my page. I start playing with my page, and this is gonna refresh and show the active users that are right now seeing, scrolling, clicking, and interacting with my website. It shows like it's in Idaho Falls right now. Yeah, so active users in the last 5 minutes, one, and that's me. I open my web page, and here at the bottom, you can have more information about customer, what you're doing on your website, etc. They have option to read leads, sales, traffic, user engagement. Those were the option I selected at the beginning. But yeah, this is pretty useful for people that are looking to grow their business and improve their websites. So let's go back to the presentation. And now I'm going to talk a little bit more about SEO, which means search engine optimization. So a search engine is a web-based tool that enables users to find and locate information on the web. Some examples are Google, Yahoo, MSN, or Bing. And those search engines help us to find, or it lists us, it gives us a list of websites after the customers index something on those search engines. Search engine optimization means the process that helps us, those engines, to understand and make it easier for users to find our websites. It is very important on web development because it can help increase the website's visibility in search results and drive more relevant traffic to the site. This is very important again for businesses um, or people who needs clients or customers, because this is kind of a list, and it's a matter of position. So, for example, there are a lot of grocery stores here in Idaho Falls. If you look for grocery store in Google, you're gonna get multiple results. Um, and in order to become the B one, the first one on the list, the search engine runs of some filters, and depending on those filters and also the website that you have developed, then you can become that first um, option on the list. So there are different factors that that takes um, this to get this first position. Some of those factors are off your hands, and some are something you can get in control. So something that you cannot control are some of the algorithms that the search engine has. You cannot control that. However, you can control the content of your website, how it is working, and ensure um, people likes it and are finding it more. So there are some practices for web developers that we can start using um, when develop websites. So for example, the first one is mobile responsiveness. On this class, we have learned about that, like make sure if our websites are mobile friendly. So pictures are on the right size. If there are titles, they are not overlapping other elements on the website. Readability. It is important to have concise content, short paragraphs, clear headings. It is important to choose legible fonts, contrasting colors. Um, and again, we have learned that this on the class. Um, the site structure. It is important how we're organizing our website and how people can read it. If the buy button, if I have one on my website, or the join button is visible for everyone or is kind of hidden, it's important to pay attention to those things. Duplicate content. We need to make sure we're not having multiple. Um, I mean, for example, if I have a join option, then if that I don't have multiple join options during on all the website, but only on those locations where I really need them. And linking, make sure like all external and internal links works. I don't like when they're like small websites and when links doesn't work, that's really they don't work. It's really really bad. Okay, and finally, but more for me, the most important thing that we have learned on this class is like the HTML formatting and metadata. This is very important for search engine optimization because what search engines do is like they read through your page in seconds. So if your title has the information that the person, the visitor has indexed on the search engine, then your website is gonna be most likely be on that list. Will be most likely positioned in the higher side of the list. So this is why it is important to have a good title, have um, a concise description. Also make sure what are the website links and all of that. I think a couple weeks ago, Sister Thompson, she shared this on the announcement. Um, she made an announcement that says must read HTML structure, and please follow this in all of your websites and all the code you are doing right now, because this is gonna be very useful when using search engines and to make sure you guys are using this format. Okay, and finally, Google Ads and Google AI. Those two will be important in the future. Um, if you already are using Google Analytics, because Google Ads is going to help you get that and achieve that target that group of people that can be prospective clients or customers. And Google AI, it's becoming a powerful tool to that is boosting all that Google Analytics are is doing right now. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, please reach out to me in the chat. I will be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this presentation. I hope you guys understand and learn something new today. And yeah, have a great day.